This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. In this video we will learn how to calculate percentage in Excel. So you can see that we have a table right over here, and the name of the students who obtained marks in different subjects. So this column, the column G, is for the marks obtained, the total of the marks obtained by the students, and H contains the total marks. So we're going to perform the percentage right over here in this column I. And since you can see that there are two different ways, the one is used for simpler way, and the second one we will use the formulated way. So in the simpler way, we can put an equal to sign here in the formula bar, and we'll select the obtained marks, a cell G6, and we'll put a slash, and we'll type select the H6 column. Here you can see that we have selected it. Now since we would like to calculate the percentage, so we will multiply this calculation with 100, and you can see that we have calculated percentage in a simpler way. The other way, we can calculate the percentage by using the formula. So we'll put an equal to sign right here in the formula bar. I actually suggest my students to always use and put the equal to sign in the formula bar. This way you can easily do the calculations. This is the proper and the most appropriate way to perform any calculation, whether it's any function you are going to use in Microsoft Excel. So we'll put an equal to sign right here in formula bar, and we'll select the cell G6 and divide it by the cell H6 and press enter key. So here you can see that this way we have performed the calculation, just divided the obtained marks by the total marks. But here you can see that the values are not in the percentage real form. So what we will do, we will select the whole values, whole column values, and then we'll right click it and go to the format cells option. Here you can see that in category list you can find the option percentage, but here you can see that it's a sample is being provided by Excel. It has two different decimal places, but we don't need, since we don't need decimal places, so we'll make it to 0 and press the OK button. So you can see that this is the other way through which you can calculate the percentage in Microsoft Excel by using the percentage option from the format cells. Thanks for watching.